What is going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 15 tutorial. You guys know it's Friday, so it means a brand new Vegas 15 tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make it rain. So as you can see right now, if you look outside, the sun is nice and bright and shining. As you can see right there, he is. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go downstairs and we are going to actually make it rain in just a split of a second. So make sure to smash the like button down below already, and I would say I'll catch you guys right after the intro. Okay guys, we're downstairs and I'm gonna just put on my jacket real quick because the sun might be shining outside, but you know, it's gonna be that realistic that I don't want to get wet, if you guys know what I'm trying to say. Let's see, let's put the camera down. There we go. Alright, there we go, looking nice and fresh. Meow. Meow. Okay guys, we're all set, and I would say let's go outside. Okay guys, I just set the camera down. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna get out of the frame and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make it rain. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay guys, as you can see right now, we are not in Vegas yet, but we're just only on the website, ProductionCrate.com, and if you guys, also just a quick pun, if you guys want to have a shout out in my next video, gaining you a lot more subscribers and watchers and viewers, make sure to check out the description. There is a link where you can sign up to get a pro membership, and I can see who signs up. So if you want to have a shout out, make sure to check out and go ahead and purchase yourself a pro membership in the link down below. And once you have also signed up for an account, you can go to this website. It's called Footage Crate. Well, it's basically just Production Crate, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the rain effect from this website. It's really amazing, really simple and quick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go onto the website. As you guys can see, what we're gonna do is we're going to click on the search bar and we're going to type in rain. Now as you can see right now, you guys know how amazing Production Crate is. They provide so many different clips and so much footage for you guys to use. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and look for a nice, well, they all look realistic obviously, but we're gonna look for the one that is looking the best. I think this one looks very nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on there and we're gonna download this one, and as you can see, it's right here, it says 4K. So I want to warn you guys that this is really, you know, high quality, heavy footage, 4K. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit download, and once it finished downloading, we're gonna go into Vegas Pro 15.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so now that we are in Vegas Pro 15, what we're gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna apply a little bit more brightness and contrast to our clip. So we're gonna go to the video effects tab and we're gonna scroll down until we see brightness and contrast, which is this one. We're gonna click on there and we're gonna drag the default one on top of the clip. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just go ahead and apply a little bit more brightness and well, not really brightness, because that's gonna mess up the clip. As you can see, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just bring up the contrast just a little, not too much, but just a little bit. That looks nice and that makes quite a difference. So what we're gonna do then is we're gonna put on our headset because there's audio. So let's go ahead and watch the clip. Go. Okay, so I'm gonna count down. 1. Okay. 2, 1, go. And once I, you know, make the sound with my fingers right here, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to make it rain. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag in the footage that we just downloaded from Production Crate. Okay, here is the footage. So if I go ahead and play it back, this is the clip. And what we're gonna do is we're not gonna apply like a gray or a black chroma key to remove the background. No, it's going to be way more simple. And usually what you could do is you could right click on properties, and you can go to media, and you should put the alpha channel to straight matted. But as you can see, this is not a .mov file, so that does not work. So what we're gonna do then is we're gonna really simple, we're gonna go ahead and make sure that we will align the footage. We're gonna add in a nice fade in, because rain always starts with like, you know, like kind of a fade in, not really like automatically. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're going to go to the track where the rain is, and we're gonna put the compositing mode to screen. And as you can see, if we play it back, this is what it looks like so far. As you can see, the rain looks pretty nice, but we want to have it, you know, a little bit more, how you call it, like visible in the screen. So what we're gonna do to fix that is we're gonna right click and we're gonna duplicate the rain track. Now if you go ahead and play it back, this is what it looks like.
2, 1, go.
So the last thing that we want to do is we want to add the rain sound effect. So if you go to youtube.com and you type in the search bar rain sound effect, you can find plenty of clips of rain. So what we're gonna do is we can just go ahead and export that to MP3 to our computer. So if you go ahead and drag it in, you can just go ahead and also add in a nice fade in when the rain starts. And if you higher up the volume just a little bit, this is basically how to make it rain with like really realistic rain over it with the rain sound effect. So this is the end result.
2, 1, go.
So guys, this is basically how you make it rain in Vegas Pro 15 using the footage of ProductionCrate. It is that simple, and as you can see, you know, the effect really comes to life because outside it was kind of windy. The tablecloth right there is just basically, you know, blowing up because, you know, of the wind. So guys, that is how to do it. This is how you create a rain effect in Vegas Pro 15. I want to thank you guys for watching, and that's how simple it is. So guys, that's how you make it rain. It's that simple, and if you want to just use the footage, go to ProductionCrate.com or just the link in the description. It's way easier. I want to also give a big shout out to ProductionCrate for sponsoring this video. So that's it, and I'll catch you guys next week.